Today's review is about the Motorcycle Bike Mobile Phone Holder Support, a useful accessory designed for motorcycle and bicycle riders who rely on their phones for navigation and daily riding needs. This phone holder is built to support smartphones up to 7 inches, making it compatible with most popular devices on the market. It works well for GPS use, calls, and music control while riding, helping riders stay focused on the road. One of the main highlights of this product is its waterproof and rainproof design. Made from strong ABS, TPU, and nylon fiber materials, the holder is built to handle tough weather conditions. A built-in sealing ring helps protect the phone from rain and splashes, making it ideal for long rides or unexpected weather. Riders can feel confident knowing their phone stays safe and dry. The holder also offers 360-degree swivel rotation, allowing users to adjust the viewing angle freely. The folding base design makes it easy to find a comfortable position for the